legs, unleashing a barrage of stinging cells. Microscopic harpoons blast into her skin.
It was like thousands of tiny burning needles, almost like an electric shock.
It's far worse than any other jelly sting I'd ever felt. And I experienced an extreme amount of pain.
As the venom seeps into her bloodstream, it attacks the cells that carry oxygen, wreaking havoc on Angel's cardiovascular system.
I felt very disoriented, anxious. I was exhausted.
For 15 long minutes, Angel struggles to make it back to shore.
I was having trouble breathing and wheezing.
She barely makes it out of the water alive.
And the next thing I knew, I was in.
Since the 1980s, box jellyfish have been coming here to spawn, arriving about 10 days after each full moon.
Those stings can be very, very nasty.
They sting more people here than anywhere else in the world. "13 years after her near-fatal encounter, Dr. Angel Yanagihara is a biochemist at the University of Hawaii. She's dedicated her career to unlocking the box jelly's venomous secrets.
For over 40 years, people have been trying to figure out what makes up this venom, why it's so potent, and how we could make an antidote.
After years of trial and error, she's closing in on the answer. It's the peak of the box jelly's monthly influx. To test her cure, Angel wants a sample of the most potent animals, those which haven't been weakened by a long swim to shore.
It definitely is a little outrageous to presume that we could find a tiny little jellyfish in 4 square miles of ocean.
Her mission is difficult and dangerous.
We're talking about being offshore in, 40 to 200 feet of water at night. There's sharks. So this isn't the kind of thing one does lightly.
Watch your computer, and I'll just tap you on the shoulder, of course, because you're going to be looking for the jellies more so, and I'll be watching the depth and stuff.
The divers make sure they're completely covered to avoid any stings. But the suits can't protect them from everything in the nighttime ocean. Angel dives down to the ocean floor, scanning with her torch. Translucent jellies should reflect in her light, but they are proving elusive. Dive time ticks away on the barren ocean bed. Then a familiar shape glints at the surface. Mindless blobs drifting at the whim of the ocean, box jellyfish swim with purpose at about the same speed a human walks. These are heading towards the lights of Waikiki Beach. Angel collects some of them for further tests in the lab.
It made us wonder, do the eyes play a role in their swimming behavior?
While most jellyfish are blind, box jellies have evolved with 4 eye clusters, one at each corner of their cube-shaped body. The clusters are largely comprised of primitive cells for detecting light and dark, but at the center of each is a single eye with remarkable similarities to our own.
A pupil, an iris, a cornea, a lens, and a retina. This is astonishing.
Which they can rotate to see in any direction.
It doesn't make sense. What can you do with such a complex eye without a brain?
Angels designed an experiment to find out, and the results are clear.
It's pretty impressive.
These invaders may be smarter than anyone suspected.
One, two, three, four.
Time to go to work. Let's get to fishing.
You're excited.
Yeah. You get new episodes and new tanks.
That's my tank!
But wait, there's more. You'll get famous faces and lots of cool places.
Look what they did.
So call your friends, call your family, and tell them we're back. Tanked, the new series, coming soon on Animal Planet.
Out there that we've given up hope for.
15 minutes ago, that animal was extinct.
Extinct or alive, all new, Friday on Animal Planet.
The Rocky Mountain vet rocks again.
This is the best news we could have had.
Holy cow. We need to open that up and let the demons out, as they say.
This frontman's got the style
You shouldn't have to go into debt to take care of your animal.
that drives fans wild.
I got a picture with Dr. Jeff.
Dr. Jeff Rocky Mountain Vet, the new series, Friday on Animal Planet and Animal Planet HD.
For more than 1 million years, I've roamed the earth, adapting, evolving, surviving. I stalk wild lands you may never see, taking only what I need and giving back far more than you know. I breathe life into the forests, and they breathe life into you. I know every tree, every rock, every stream in my kingdom, and I watch as they slowly disappear. I'm one of the first things your children learn to love, and the last thing you think needs your help. But my roar is